Well, guys, I can't thank you enough. I asked yesterday for help with this, and sure enough, you guys came out. I really appreciate it. Thank you so, so much. So, what's the next step? Well, I'm going to have to make a thank you video apart from this one for everyone. I guess YouTube will continue giving me the YouTube partnership. And once again, I wanted to thank every one of you. And I wanted to send a special thank you to my cousin, Olivia Wellington, for actually putting me over the top. She's the one that made the last three subscriptions, and I'm more than appreciative. So thank you all very, very much for coming out and supporting me with this endeavor. I don't know what to say. I'm at a loss for words. And once again, just thank you. Thank you so much.